In this video, we're going to look at how you can transpose data in Excel. Now, what that means is you're basically swapping rows to columns and columns to rows. Now, the easiest way to illustrate this is with a quick example. So we've got some data here. We've got 4 years worth of revenue data, 2017 through to 2020. And what we're going to do is we're going to get this data, which is currently in column A and column B, into two different rows along here. So first of all, you need to copy this information. So highlight the cells and then Control C. Then if we come over here, right click, and then when we see paste options, we need to click on this one here, the fourth one along, transpose. So select that, and then you can see what's happened. Our data is swapped. So now year is a row and the revenue is a row as well. And equally, we could copy this information and we could flip it back. So we could come over here, for example, right click, transpose, and then we're back to how we were with our data in columns. So that's transposing data, really simple and quick to do in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.